Attack that next time, boy. Good. Joel!
Typical Team Black pregame, amp in hand, ready to get another W. This says what it's on, so.
We don't need to say nothing, just get it.
Rupert's girlfriend's hot. Who? So Rupert's girlfriend's hot.
He called a fucking foul, it's a foul. He calls a foul, it's a foul. Call your own fucking fouls, play the game.
Am I on?
Alright, Cree, so you just advanced past the first round, Lady League Playoffs 2009. What are you thinking?
Thinking it feels really good right now. The team played well. We, you know, kept working the entire time. Much respect to Black for a good game. They played hard too. Got to play against Blue Collar on Wednesday now. It's going to be a fun game to play.
Spit on myself.
Yeah. But yeah, like I said, feels good to win. Got to keep winning now. If 2 more games and get that championship. And God bless Sean Taylor.